Good morning everybody. Today we have to continue a square and a square roots, in which we have to learn to solve some of the problems based on a square root of decimal numbers. The first problem I am going to solve: evaluate root 3 up to 2 places of decimal. Solution: here given number is equal to root 3. First we write 3 here and then pair. Here this is a single digit. After this we have to give a decimal and different pairs of zeros will be given. After the decimal, you already know, if the zeros are given, the number remains same. First see 1 1 ja 1, here it will be 1. On subtracting 1 from 3 we get 2. 1 and 1 will be added, we will get 2. After 3, decimal is given here, therefore we will also take decimal. And when we are taking the decimal, a pair of zeros will be taken here. Now, 7 7 are 49, 7 2 are 14 and 4 18. Here 7 will be written. On subtracting 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 8 1, 1 minus 1 cancel. The next pair of zeros 0. Here we have to add 7 7, 14 2 1 3. Now 3 will be taken here. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9 1 10. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, rest will be cancelled. You may proceed like this, but in the question we are given, we have to find only up to 2 places of decimal. Here we have got the result up to 2 places of decimal, and therefore no need to continue it ahead. And therefore the value of root 3 will be 1.73 ... and it will be 1.73 up to 2 places of decimal. Now we come to another problem. Evaluate root under 2.8 correct up to 2 places of decimal. In the last question it was not given. Only up to 2 places of decimal was given in the last question. Here we have to find correct up to 2 places of decimal. Here given number root under 2.8. Now we write 2.8. To make pair, after the decimal we have to make pair. This is single digit, therefore we will give 1 0. And the next pairs will be 0 0 0 0 like this. 1 1 ja 1. 2 minus 1, here it will be 1. 1 1 2. Here we have to write 1. After 2 decimal, therefore decimal will be given here, and the next pair 8 0 will be taken. Now we have to place a number 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 2 are 12 or 3 15. 10 minus 6 4. 7 minus 5 2. It will be cancelled. Now we have to add 6 6, 12 2 1 3. Now we will take the next pair, that is 0 0. Here it will be 6. And now we have to search a number so that it will be less than just before 2400. And here it will be 7. 7 are 49. 7 2s are 14 and 4 18. 7 3s are 21 or 122. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 8 1. 3 minus 3 1. It will be cancelled. 7 7 14. 2 1 3 and 3. Now we come to second digit. But if we have to find correct up to 2 places of decimal, then we must have to find the third digit also. The next pair will be 0 0. Now we will take 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 1 10, 3 3s are 9 1 10. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 2 7. 9 and 9. 10 minus 9 1. 9 minus 2 7. 0 minus 0 0 and 1. Now we have got 3. This is not the final result. We may continue it, but we have to find only a correct up to 2 places of decimal. Therefore, we have to consider on third digit also. If the third digit is 5 or more, then the second digit will be added by 1. But if it is less than 5, then no need of addition in the second digit. See here, it is 1.673 dot dot. But here the third digit is 3, therefore there is no need to add here something. It will be 167. This will be the result correct up to 2 places of decimal. This is an important thing. While we have to find correct up to 2 places of decimal, we must have to see the third place. If it is 5 or more, then we have to add 1. But if it is less than 5, then no need to add the digit. Whatever placed here, that will remain here. Okay? Now we come to another problem. Suppose we have to find the square root of a mixed fraction. That is 4 whole 73 by 324. This is proper fraction. 1183 by 2023, which is square root to be found. And the third one is a square root of 98 into 162. First of all, we have to change this improper fraction into proper fraction. If you have memorized the square root of first 30 number, the square of first 30 numbers, you are sure to know that 324 is the square of 18. You may write it. Now you left with 1369. Its square root must be obtained by long division method. On pairing, this is 69, this is 30. 3 3s are 9. 4. 3 3 added, it will give 6. Now we will take 7. 7 7s are 49 and 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. All will be cancelled. And therefore 1369 is the square of 37. And therefore the result will be 37 by 18. Okay? Now the second problem is we have to find the square root of proper fraction 1183 by 2023. When we find the HCF of these two numbers, we find 7. And then numerator and denominator both will be divided by 7. On dividing 1183 by 7, we get 169. And on dividing 2023 by 7, we get 289. And you already know the square of 13 is 169 and a square of 17 is 289. Therefore, the result will be 13 by 7. And the third problem is to find the square root of 98 into 162. By prime factorization, 98, 49, 7, 7 is 49. It will give 2 into 7 square. Like this, it will give 2 into 162, 2 into 81, 327, 3, 9 3, 3. It will give 2 into 3 square into 3 square. Here there is a pair of 2, then we may write 2 square, 3 square into 3 square into 7. On finding the square root, we get 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 3 7 are 21, 21 3 are 63 and 63 2 are 126. This will be the result. Today the class is over. I will provide a practice paper at your WhatsApp group on which you have to solve the different types of problems, and the different types of problems of this chapter is already completed. You may solve either from NCERT or RS Agarwal, and while you are finding any problem from a square and a square root, you may ask on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.